In today's video, I'm going to teach you deploying Clawdbot on AWS EC2 and keeping it online 24/7. We'll start in the AWS Management Console. Head to the EC2 service and choose Launch Instance. Give your instance a clear name like Clawdbot so it's easy to spot later. For the operating system, pick Ubuntu 22.04 LTs. Choose the T2.micro instance type to stay within the free tier for a lightweight bot. Create or select an existing key pair and download the .pem file. Store it safely because you'll use it to connect. In the security group, allow port 22 for SSH. If your bot also serves a web page or needs webhooks, you can allow ports 80 and 443 as well. Launch the instance and wait for it to enter the running state. Once it's up, copy the instance's public IP. On macOS or Linux, connect from your terminal with SSH, your key, pem, Ubuntu at your EC2 public IP. On Windows, use PuTTY with a .ppk key. The default user on Ubuntu images is Ubuntu. If you see a first-time connection prompt, accept it to proceed. After logging in, update the server so everything is current. Run sudo apt update and in sudo apt upgrade .y. This ensures security patches and package lists are up to date. Next, install Node.js LTS using node source. Run curl fssl https db node source setup LTS x sudo ebash and then sudo apt install .y node.js. Verify the installation with node v and npm so you know both are ready to go. Install git with sudo apt install git y. Now pull down your bot's code, run git clone your Clawdbot repo link, then change into the project folder with cd Clawdbot. Make sure the folder name matches whatever your repository uses. Install the bot's dependencies by running npm install. To provide your Discord bot token, open the configuration file your project expects, either nano.env or nanoconfig.json. Paste your token in the appropriate place, save and exit by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, then enter. Keep your token private. If it's ever exposed, rotate it in the Discord developer portal. Start the bot with nodeindex.js. If everything is configured correctly, your bot should appear online in Discord within a few seconds. To keep it running 24/7 and restart automatically on crashes or reboots, install PM2 globally with sudo npm, install PM2g, start your bot under PM2 using PM2 startindex.js. Name Clawdbot, then run PM2 save and PM2 startup.